Engine looks beyond repair. We inspected the chassis for hidden damage. Hey, check out this old beauty. She's a real project, but I can't wait to get started. She's gonna shine again. Was completely ruined. Even the engine looked beyond repair, but every restoration starts with a plan. The scene was completely ruined. The interior was completely ruined, but the engine looks beyond repair. We inspected the chassis for hidden damage. This is where magic begins. After months of hard work, she was reborn. This car was once considered completely useless, broken, but today you will witness one of the most unbelievable car restorations ever. Every part tells a story of damage, rust, dents, broken components. Most people would give up, but we didn't. We decided to bring this machine back to life. No shortcuts, no compromises. The first step is complete disassembly. Every nut, every bolt must come off. The first step is complete disassembly. Every nut, every bolt must come off.
The heart of the car, completely worn out, but ready for rebirth.
Years of damage revealed inside the engine. This is where real restoration begins.
Deep cleaning removes years of dirt and oil. The transformation starts here.
Brand new components replace the old ones. Power, performance, reliability.
Rust is the enemy of metal, and today it loses. Every dent is repaired with patience and skill. Perfect shape takes time.
Primer prepares the surface for perfection. Now the car is ready for its new identity.
Choosing the right color defines the soul of the car. Layer by layer, precision, perfection.
The shine speaks for itself. A true masterpiece is taking shape. Luxury begins inside. Comfort meets modern design. Modern technology brings the car into the future. The heart returns to its home.
Every piece comes together, one final time. This sound means success.
Every sound must return exactly as history intended. Separated, cataloged, and respected. But as a legend rebuilt.
It be forgetting. And sometimes it begins in sots.
Covered neglect have stolen its shine, but not its soul. This car once ruled American highways with power.
This is not just a car. This is a symbol of American modern luxury.
It is resurrection.
Every bolt, every curve, every sound must return exactly as history intended.
Taking everything apart. Piece by piece, the past is carefully separated, cataloged, and respected.
The rebirth.
Rust is erased, metal is reborn. The body regains its strength, stronger than ever.
Luxury is not loud. It whispers through perfection. Each layer of paint reflects dedication, patience.
Inside, comfort meets class. Every stitch tells a story of elegance. American details separate ordinary from extraordinary. Chrome returns like jewelry, bold, brilliant, timeless.
Now, the pieces return home. Not as parts, but as a legend rebuilt.
This moment defines everything. The first heartbeat after decades of silence.
Once again, it conquers the road. Smooth, powerful, unforgettable.
From rust to royalty. This is not restoration. This is revival. Die. They wait for the right hands to bring them back to life.
Every dent tells a story. There, the past disappears. Every journey deserves dignity. Piece by piece. His hands don't rush. Every dent tells a story, and every story deserves care. Layer by layer, the past disappears, revealing possibility beneath. Color without the new way. Color is not just paint, it's identity reborn. Comfort is restored, because every journey deserves dignity. When the engine breathes again, the soul awakens. Piece by piece, it becomes whole once more.
This is not repair. This is rebirth.
Built by hands, driven by dreams. Some restorations change cars, others change stories.
Was typically a process of cleaning and then rebuilding in the 1920s smart car or smart car engine. Each car was carefully
'94 smart car, now being meticulously cleaned and rebuilt. Each part is washed, polished, repaired, and rehabilitated.